Hi, welcome here. My name is Tony, and I have been sharing about spiritual awakening, the present moment, how to observe our mind, how to realize our true nature for the past few years. And today I would like to speak about the present moment. So it's going to be a little bit theoretical, I would say, but afterward we become more experimental. So please, it's kind of, I would say, crucial to watch the whole video. So, the present moment. What a beautiful and interesting and truly vast topic. So, mind can create a concept about now, about the present moment. So, we can try to understand what is the present moment, or we can dive into the present moment, I would say, without any concept about this. So, first of all, we need to understand one point. So, mind operates with time. So, if you think about the present moment, you will miss the point, because our thoughts is related to the past and future. Do you understand this? You can say this mug is on the table right now. So we are in the present moment. I mean, we think we are in the present moment if I say this blue mug is on the table. But even the word mug and the color blue is from past. And even, the word mug is from past, you see, and table is from the past. So it's like I use the past to say, this mug is on the table. Does this resonate with you? So, mind operates with time. So you cannot tap into the present moment with the mind. It's impossible. So, the second point, you have to understand what the attention is. Because as long as your attention directs itself towards mind, you will again miss the point of what is truly now. Let me clarify. It's a bit theoretical, I know. So our attention automatically, I would say, directs itself towards mind. So what is the attention? I have shown this plenty of times in my previous videos, but I'm going to show you this again. It's very simple and truly crucial, truly important to I would say, get in touch with this, to understand this, you see. And it's not understand from this, it's experimental, I would say. So just feel the sensation of your right hand, just feel it. You can feel some vibration, energy, warmth, cold. Just feel. Now feel the sensation of your right foot. Again, feel this. It's like something moves, you say. So come back to your right hand. So there is something that has moved from your right hand to right foot. What is this? So we call this attention. So this attention always focuses on mind or in the sensation of the body. So when it directs itself towards mind, it's like you live into the illusion. You are into past and future always, you see. And the purpose of it, if you truly live now, you have to stop directing the attention towards anything. So it's like you have to relax the attention, to open it up to the whole field of experience right now. So you can use some breathing practices, like just slowing down, and you direct. I know it's paradoxical, I always say this, when you direct your attention towards breathing, it will open it up. You will feel that something is opening up. So how to direct the attention towards breath? It's very simple. You simply need to listen to the breath. You can try this for a few seconds. Just focuses on the breath. Very long breath. And when you direct your attention towards breathing, it no longer directs towards mind. You understand? So you can feel that something is like opening up. Or you can try this. Just focuses on this point. Without moving your eyes, just follow my hand. And when you remain as this, as relaxed attention, there is just this. There is no more mind, no past and future anymore. And you are, I would say, in your natural state. Because even if you are not, I would say, aware of this, when you wake up in the morning, it's very late. I mean, it's 1 second. When you wake up, you are in your natural state. And then, it's a little gap, you see. And then there is the, I would say, download of your life. Oh, I am my name, I am here in my flat, and I need to do this, I need to do that. Oh, yesterday I did that, or I need to answer to this guy. You somehow return into the illusion. And you are no longer into the present moment. So, most of people live into the illusion of time, into, I would say, a dream. And this dream is, I would say, related into past and future, you see. And when we say awakening is to awaken from this dream. It's like you are in this constant dream and you wake up from this. And you realize suddenly that this was a total illusion. It's like you used to live into past, future. And we can slow it down and remain as this. Does this make any sense to you? So this is the present moment. Is our natural state. And I know it's kind of tough to understand this when your mind is very active, I would say. And this realization is accessible to you, to anyone. I used to live with a very tense mind, you see. It was energy consuming to live with a tense mind. So that's why I say that it's accessible to anyone, because you are this. We are all this present moment, you see. And the truth is, you cannot escape it. You think you are escaping from this moment, but you can't. You can't. It's impossible. Even if you have a thought about yesterday, or a thought, an imagination about tomorrow, it's arising right now, you see, within you. Even if I'm thinking about yesterday right now, I am thinking about yesterday, but right now. And right now is the only moment that truly exists. So one very powerful practice, yet very simple, is to slow down with the breath. Just listen to the breath. Observe the arising, the movement of mind that will try to, I would say, disturb you. But don't just observe it. Don't fight it. Don't try to control anything. It's impossible. You will never fight. You will never win a fight against mind. It's impossible. So mind is your friend. It's not an enemy. That's an important point. So mind is a tool. It's your tool. Okay. So it's not an enemy again. So simply watch all the movement from a point that is very still. That is you. So don't believe what it says because it often lies, you see. And try to observe with detachment. Even if it's negative, if it's dramatic, if it's related to the past or any worries about tomorrow, uncertainty, that's totally okay. So do not believe this. And then when you somehow detach yourself from all the rising of this narrative, it will slow it down with discipline. With discipline. And you can ask yourself, okay, if I am not all this past and future, if I am not this thought, what am I? That's the point. What am I? What has always been here? What is permanent in this experience? Of course, I can see that there is a movement here of mind, but what is it that sees? What is it that observes this movement? You see? And of course, the answer is not from mind. You can say anything about this. You can say a lot of things about this. I am the present moment. I am the truth. I am consciousness, awareness. That's not actually the truth. It's another label, to say. So I think the more fair would be to say, I'm just this. But feel it. Not from mind, just feel it from your heart. I'm just this right moment. And there are a lot of exercise. You can watch, you can observe this mug until all labels disappear. Like, you can see a thought arising like it's blue, it's a mug, there is coffee inside or tea. But let all of this go, you see, until one thing remains. I would say nothing. And when there is nothing left about this, we can say you tap into the unknown, which is the truth. And you are capable of doing this because this is what you deeply are. So we have to, I would say, I don't like using stop because it's like you are fighting the mind or control it. It's more of kind of, I would say, just observe it. And don't believe the narrative within yourself. And you can do this exercise with yourself. You see, what am I? What am I right now without mind, without any concept, without any beliefs, without past and future? What am I? And you observe all the mind that say, no, you are your name, you are your origin. You identified yourself with your job position. All of this is not you. This is not us. It's labels, it's ego, it's illusion. So, what am I right now? What are you right now? That's the question, you see. And the answer is simpler than you may think. Very simple. There is just this moment. And when you realize that you are this, it's kind of relieving, it's peaceful. This is you. Because when your attention again directs towards something, it's like a rubber band, it's very tense, you see. It's energy consuming. Just relax the attention and remain as our beautiful being. This is not something that is going to be added to you. It's already here right now. So the present moment is not a concept. It is what we are. What we are. And our being has a taste, you see. It has a taste of peace. Initially it has a taste of emptiness, but the more and more, the more you return here in the heart, it will eventually have a taste of, it's inexplicable, but inner peace. Sometimes it's joy without any reason. Sometimes it's love. Sometimes it's a quiet peace. Sometimes it's very subtle. But it's here, the presence of God, always here. I hope everything is fine for you. It's been a long time. It's been a long time. And just come back, return to now, always. Much love.